Content Creations Farm. It is Memorial Day weekend, and we are open here at the farm Saturdays and Sundays, so it is actually a work day for us. Let me get this flipped around. I thought I'd just do some quick updates here. I had a couple minutes before we opened. I did get some footage yesterday of some stuff that we did out back. We moved a broody chicken last night. We were watering the fruit garden, so there's some footage about how we water with the fish, how we always give the fish the fresh water, and we take the well, you'll see. Just wanted to explain how we water everything here at the farm. So what we do is we give all the fresh water to the fish, and we water the gardens with a pump from the different ponds that we have here. And actually, even when we backwash our filter up above, we have one of those huge water bins, and we carry it back by our garden with the tractor, and we water off that. So we're always using the clean water is for the fish, and then, you know, the plants love the fish water, so it works out really good. Yes, so we also moved one of the barns out back last night. That's the one I'm gonna put. I have 10 chickens, actually I think 11 chicks that are about 2 to 3 weeks old that right now we have in a brooder in our basement. And instead of putting them in our main chicken coop, we're gonna move it into the little one and just keep them separate, probably until winter. And then we'll combine them all back. And then we do have that broody chicken's only sitting on about, I estimate, 4 to 6 eggs. We never really got a great count last night. There were a couple, we ended up candling them, so there were a couple that we took out, so it just got a little bit confusing. So I would say 4 to 6. Couple things about moving broody chickens is covering them. I feel like really helps them freak out less, because the bottom line is they don't like it. So the sooner you can get those eggs back under them, the better.
There you go, Mama. Ow, cover all the way back. Don't let her peck the eggs. Keep her covered. Keep her covered. Easy, girl. You're gonna have to give her more eggs than that to make her happy. And push her back. She'll start freaking out and stepping on the eggs. Yep. Good. Give your eggs back. Don't worry. Good. Wait, how many is that? Keep track. 3. No mas? Yeah, that looks good. See that? I see the veins on the side. Look.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
4. This one is
Is
weird.
that even how you say it? No mas? It's not proper Spanish.
No more. Yeah, that's a fart egg. I don't even think that has a yolk in it.
Alright, so get this one out of the equation.
Although, what is that?
No, it's got an air sac, but it doesn't mean nothing.
You know what? Keep it. Or no, get rid of it.
I'll let her keep it. There you go, honey.
Is she tucking them under her?
I'm tucking them under. Oh no, this is it. When we don't know, we just put them back under anyways.
Yeah. Well, because it's too early.
It looks
7
like
days.
an egg.
I think it looks like it has some veining on the side.
Maybe not. Very good. There you go. Keep them warm.
I feel like
I lost count.
I can look back at the video.
Nothing. So we get rid of this one?
Well, one of our friends showed up here the other day, and I was just saying that I'm really kicking myself that we didn't do pigs this year. So I don't know. I just really feel like we really should have had them by now. If anybody thinks that we should still get them and it's not too late, let me know what you think. I also wanted to add that we have that game going on one of our videos, and you just have to guess the flower. What is that plant? And keep in mind, I gave a clue to some people that were here the other day. We are an aquatics plant farm, so this shouldn't be very difficult. You guys can do this. And the winner gets a free shirt that I will mail to you, or you can pick up here, depends on where you are. So go ahead and take a guess. You have to subscribe to our page and comment on the video your answer, and I'll tell you if you're right or wrong. Good luck on that. See him right there? We used to have way more frogs here at the pond, but the cats have kind of helped that problem, and we really only have a couple now. That's his little house, I'm pretty sure, that little cave there. Brave new world. Oh, right as she does that, a fish. The fish started swimming under. Eva is such a weirdo. She doesn't like to be pet with hands. She only likes feet. So that's what I was doing, wiggling my foot to get her over here. When I go to pet her, usually she'll run away. Such a little stinker. Ava now spends most of her time, you've probably seen her in a couple other videos, on the hay bales in the greenhouse. Here she is watching the fish. How cute is that? Come back, Ava. She is the grumpiest kitty you'll ever meet. We have been looking for a collaboration with another YouTube channel, and it just so happened to fall right in our lap, and it was somebody who is right in Bristol, the next town over, and they have a lot of amphibians and fish, and so he's gonna meet up here later with his family, so look out for that. And I do have something in the works with my kids. I know some of you had been saying that, you know, anything with kids in it will be great, but my teenagers are a little hesitant to do anything on YouTube, but I kind of made them an offer that they couldn't refuse. So I have something arriving here in the mail that they're gonna love, and then we're gonna do a couple little adventures. So I'll definitely take a lot of footage of that.